Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and taste the Fortnum Mason Violet Biscuits. So let's first take a look around the outside of the tin. So this is a tall tin of Fortnum Mason Violet Biscuits. And it does have a very beautiful relief design to it. You can see that the violets or floral patterns on the tin are raised from its surface, and they do have a very striking finish to them. So the contents of this tin has a weight of 250 grams. And the date stamp below. On the base of the tin and on the top of the lid we can see the Fortnum and Mason branding on it, along with the date that it was established. So taking a look around the tin once again, but this time further out, and just slowly rotating the tin around to show you the lovely design. And taking a look at the back part of the tin with the product information. And ingredients of the Violet Biscuits. And now let's go ahead and open up the tin, of course, by pulling down the strip of clear seal that's keeping the lid shut. Now that's removed, let's pop the lid of this cylindrical Fortnum Mason Violet Biscuits off. And just like that, the lid is off. Let's set it down to the side. And taking a look directly inside the tin, let's pull the Violet Biscuits out. And the rest of the contents out as well. So I'm just doing some tapping as you would with a nearly empty bottle of ketchup or sauce, trying to tip the rest of the Violet Biscuits out. And looking inside the tin, you can see that it is emptied, and you can see the relief from within the inside of the tin of the floral patterns around the outside of the tin. Okay, so let's set that tin down, and hopefully it doesn't roll away, which it might. Let's put the lid right behind it to keep it from rolling away. Right there. Okay, so we have 2 packets of Fortnum and Mason Violet Biscuits, which we've just removed from inside the tall, round or cylindrical tin, and which they were shipped in. Let's go ahead and take a close-up look at one of the packets. So you can see they are nicely sealed to keep them fresh in individual plastic packets. And taking a look at the other packet as well, you can see there is a window there with the Fortnum and Mason branding once again. And now let's go ahead and open one of the packets. Let's do it with the right one. And popping open the fresh seal here. And sliding the tray of biscuits out. So giving you that close-up look right there at the Fortnum and Mason Violet Biscuits. And there we go. The tin almost rolled away. So let's set it down once again. And giving you that close-up look at the biscuits. So these are the Fortnum and Mason Violet Biscuits. And just continue to remove the rest of the wrapper from the tray. And giving you that nice clear look at the biscuits in close-up detail. So they are butter biscuits with crystallized French violets. There is a rose version as well. So 2 varieties of floral biscuits available from Fortnum's. This is the violet one. The other is the rose. I'm giving you those close-up looks right there at these butter biscuits with crystallized French violets. Okay, so now let's go ahead and remove one from the clear tray. Just turn it right around and take the one at the front. And giving you that close-up look right here. You can see just how crumbly it is. And just let me have a sniff of the biscuit. So it does have a very subtle floral scent to it. So the next thing to do is to just break it off, just to show you the cross section of it. And you can hear that snap. Right there, the cross section of these lovely violet biscuits from Fortnum and Mason. Okay, so now it's time to taste a piece. And straight away I could taste that floral scent, very subtle, not overpowering. And it does linger slightly. Not sure what violet tastes like. I've never tasted a violet before, but I imagine this is exactly what it should taste like. And that lovely fragrance, floral fragrance, does linger in my mouth. And even though these are butter biscuits, there's hardly any strong tasting butter at all. Just that very, very lovely, fragrant, floral taste. And you can see there appears to be some nuts in it as well. So taking a quick look once again at the ingredients on the tin, you'll see that it does contain almonds, so that's the Fortnum & Mason Violet Biscuits. Thanks for watching and happy snacking!